In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stock screener using Google Finance. We'll build a simple, practical setup in Google Sheets that pulls real-time and historical data for a stock, using Apple as our example. You can follow along in a blank spreadsheet and adapt the ticker later to suit your own watch list. Start by opening a new Google Sheets file so you're looking at a clean grid. In any empty cell, we'll begin by pulling a full snapshot for Apple. Type or paste the formula equals Google Finance AAPL. After a brief moment, the function will spill a table of attributes and values across adjacent cells, such as price, high, low, volume, and more. If you see a loading message or a temporary error, give it a second. The data is fetched from Google Finance and refreshes periodically. If the ticker isn't recognized, double-check that it's enclosed in quotes and that you've used the correct symbol. If you only want the current price for Apple, use a more targeted version of the function. In a cell where you want that single value, paste ESG Google Finance AAPL price. This returns the live trading price, and it will update over time as the market moves. You can reference this cell in your own calculations, like percentage changes or alerts, and format it as a number or currency for clarity. Keep in mind that Google's market data can be delayed in some regions and is for informational purposes. To add more depth to your screener, you can also bring in historical data. In an empty area of the sheet, paste ESG Google Finance AAPL price 2025-0101 2025-0401 daily. This query pulls daily closing prices between the dates provided and spills a two-column table with the date and the price for each trading day. Make sure your dates are in quotes and use the YYYYMMDD format as shown. The final argument, daily, sets the frequency. Keeping it as written will give you a clean day-by-day series that's ideal for charts or comparisons. With these formulas in place, you've built the core of a simple stock screener. A broad snapshot with Google Finance AAPL, a precise live price with Google Finance AAPL price, and a historical series with the dated query. From here, you can swap AAPL for any other ticker, reuse the same structure, and organize the results into a dashboard that suits your workflow. That's all you need to get started using Google Sheets and Google Finance to monitor stocks quickly, clearly, and for free.